Okay, here we have the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo Espresso coffee maker. And the problem that we're having is that it does not have a way to tell if the water reservoir is about to run out or if it's completely full or anywhere in between. And when it does run out, it goes through a long priming cycle, and it can be a real pain, especially if you're in a rush to grab a cup of coffee and get out the door. So we designed an embedded system here to give us a readout of what the water level is. You can see right there is a percentage right now. It's 76, it's close to full. And it then updates a web portal that we have. You can see that running on my phone here. It's updating continuously every 10 seconds right now. I've got it set to send an update to the phone. And what we are going to do is we are going to make a cup of coffee here and watch the change. One second here, it'll pull in the water. See our web portal getting updated.